SEMPER item signature goes to RAGGA. Guarded parking space. Areas for tent and camp. And the lovely sea and shore. No problem for food, can cook and even buy fresh fish. Morning coffee and bread. Rest and sleep with fresh air and gentle breeze. Instant breakfast may do so. And unending inclination to swim and play the powdered white sand. Why not have a try?